Oh, there we go.
Yeah, we got a double up.
Nice. Very nice. This has got some.
Yeah.
There he is. Look at him. There's that bald eagle. Two of them. Three of them. Look at that. Look at that.
They might be after your fish. Oh, they're pissed off now. There's something. See, they're fighting.
Unbelievable.
That is great.
It is.
Glad we finally saw them. They're like, I told you, clean the nest out last night, and you didn't.
You did not do the dishes. Mark the tape here. We just had America in all her glory land, all in one tree at the same time. There he is.
It was wrapped up on the end. It had a problem.
Hey, fish. What do you say there, boy? What do you say? Thought you had a piece of shrimp, didn't you?
Well, we hit a little hot pocket there.
Yeah, we did. We sure did.
Right here in these last 3 dots.
There he is. Come here, you. Yoo-hoo. It's interesting. They seem to be fighting different today than they were yesterday. Oop. Wow, he's been raked over it, man. Look at his ribs. Some brown trout tried to masticate this rainbow. All right, you're a fighter, boy. I'm gonna throw you back. And down he goes. Now the bottom's a little stirred up here and it's a little murky because of the amount of water coming through, but you can see that we're basically floating over a gravel bottom, which is excellent for trout spawn.
You want him for the
snack machine?
I think you want him to take some smoked fish home. So
Absolutely, absolutely. Here's a good one. Pretty fish. Oh yeah, oh yeah. There he is. That's a nice fish. Don't shoot me, bro.
We were in Destin this past year, spring break.
Yeah.
And we tried to.
Yeah. Nice one. It's a good one, bro.
Yeah. I say that.
Huh. The natural fish is what he is.
He's got a big. He's empty.
Beautiful.
Loaded.
What you got there? And a little rainbow. Yeah. You just got he just fired that hook right into your hand?
Oh yeah.
Not doing that again.
All right, we're gonna motor back to the kitchen and I'm gonna show you how we smoke these things. It is an amazing, delicious dish. Smoked rainbow trout. We're gonna make the brine for our smoked trout. You need precisely this much honey, this much brown sugar, and this much salt. And if you don't get the right amounts, your brine is not gonna come out right. Put it in there. You fill that bowl with hot water. Not boiling water, just hot water, because you want your sugar and your salt and everything to dissolve. And you have to use a whisk. If you don't use a whisk, it's not going to come out right. Season. Exactly that much. Now you pour all that brine into a Ziploc bag with all your trout fillets in there. And make sure your Ziploc bag is this size. And that many trout fillets. If you don't have the right amount of trout fillets, you're gonna mess it up. Stick your bag in a bowl so it doesn't spill, put it in the fridge for a couple hours. Let it brine up. You wanna use real coals and you don't wanna use lighter fluid. Use one of these things, a charcoal chimney, all right? That's how men fire up their charcoal. You don't use lighter fluid, you understand? If your trout doesn't have skin on it, put a little foil down so it doesn't fall apart and fall through the grates when you're trying to pull them off. Poke some holes in the foil so that juices have somewhere to escape to and you don't boil your fish. Alright. So put them on the foil, skin side down, or where the skin was, side down, because that's still, in these rainbow trout, they always have remnants of the skin and all that. And the most permeable side is the top side, or the non-skid side. Put your little, smallest fillets closer to the exit or the exhaust, all right? And your bigger fillets closer to where the heat will be coming out. All right, this will give you a more even cooking or even smoking. You want a small pile of coals and a good double handful of chips so it gets real smoky, but you don't want high heat. You want a low heat, kind of cold smoke this stuff the best you can. That's what you want. That's applewood chips. Heavy flow of smoke. You know that trout is sucking it up down there on the grill. Yes, this is how we light our charcoal chimney. Yo! We've been cold smoking for hours. So we're dumping a fresh load of coals. A lot of coals, a whole chimney full of coals. And we're gonna cook them off. Goodbye. Goodbye. That's some smoked fish right there. Smoked fish. See that one? I caught that one. And this one here, that was the vegan trout. You can tell just by looking at it. Small and shrunken, no meat on the bones. Real men don't use toasters, use the oven. Bowl. It's weird. It's the bud from some sort of plant. I'm not really sure. If you know what plant the capers come off of, put a comment down there because I'm not going to look it up. I've been drinking all day. I don't really care. So you let me know. Thank you. Put your smoked fish on the bagel.